Top 5 Best Dashcam for Uber and Lyft Drivers. Number 5. Garmin Dashcam Tandem. Features: resolution, front-facing lens with 1440 pixel, interior-facing lens with 720 pixel. Overall video quality, good. Reliability, very good. Maximum storage capacity, included microSD memory card. Operating temperature, the effective temperature operating range of -4 to 172. Pros: it is one of the best taxi cams and Uber dual lens dashcam. The dual lens allows you to view what's going on both inside and outside the car while you are driving. The picture quality is excellent, especially from the front camera. It has a voice control feature. Cons: the camera has a low quality night vision and the Garmin app is not intuitive. Coming in number 4. Vantrue N2 Pro. Feature: resolution, 1920 by 1080. Overall video quality, very good. Reliability, excellent. Maximum storage capacity, supports 256 GB max operating temperature, high temperature resistant, -20°F to 158°F. Pros: best dashcam for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers. It is a dashcam front and inside that records both the road in front and the interior of the passenger compartment where the passengers are seated. The dashcam inside the car is a perfect functionality for professional drivers as it is an infrared dashcam. Cons: the standard version of this room is supplied without GPS. If you want to use the GPS feature, you will need to order additional support, which costs around $30. Coming in number 3. The Rexing V1P Pro Dual. Just missing the podium but placing for honorable mention is the Rexing V1P Pro Dual, priced at $199. Sharing some of the same essential features as most other dash cams, including built-in GPS, Wi-Fi Connect, and both front and rear cameras, the Rexing V1P Pro Dual has two unique qualities that offer important value. First, the Rexing V1P Pro Dual uses a built-in supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery, making the device resistant to extreme temperatures. Second, the recordings are carefully secured by splitting them into segments and storing them in chronological order. When out of space, the memory card overwrites the oldest recordings with the new footage. Most importantly, the dashcam's G-sensor is able to detect collision and then simultaneously locks the video, regardless of the date, ensuring that any accident footage is secured. The downside here is the app has not received stellar ratings, which leaves this camera in the 4th spot. Coming in number 1. The Nexar Pro. In close competition with the Nexar 1 is the Nexar Pro. For $184.95, drivers get both an interior and exterior camera, so that everything inside and in front of the vehicle is recorded with high-quality 1080 Full HD image sensors. Just like the Nexar 1, the interior camera has infrared lights, providing full night vision for drivers, an important feature for early morning and after dusk jobs. In the case of a road incident, Nexar's app generates instant accident reports to show police or submit to insurance. Coming in number 2. Vantrue N4. This high-ticket dash cam is the ultimate companion for professional drivers. With 3 different vantage points, it really covers all the bases. 4K recording is available but only if you power down the interior and rear view cameras. The camera is easy to set up and use with a built-in screen so drivers can see what they are recording as they go. The downside is there are no GPS capabilities and no cloud storage available. That said, we do believe the 3 angles make it worth the higher price tag.